It is blackberry season and my blackberry bush is so happy. So today we are making a blackberry milkshake with my fresh blackberries. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen and garden. For the base of our milkshake, I'm just using vanilla bean ice cream, and here is about 2 heaping cups of vanilla ice cream, and I'm just going to add all of this to my blender. And I'm going to be trying to move fast today because it is very hot outside and I don't want all my ice cream to melt on me. Next, I just have some frozen blackberries, and this is half a cup of just frozen blackberries going in. And to make it even more full of that blackberry flavor, I have some blackberry jam. Of course, you can use store-bought, but I just made this at home because it's very easy to make and it's so delicious. What you need is 1 heaping cup of blackberries, along with around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, as well as 3 tablespoons of sugar. I also added in some lemon zest. And then I let this cook for about 10 minutes over low to medium heat until it formed my jam. And I'm going to use the majority of my jam, but I'm saving a little bit on the side because I want to decorate my glasses with it. Next, I just have some whole milk. As always, you can use the milk of your choice, and I'm adding half a cup of milk to my blender. And you'll find in a lot of my recipes, I love adding vanilla extract. So I just have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract going in. And now we can just blend this all together. Now, doesn't that look absolutely delicious? And I love the color. It's such a pretty purple. And it smells good too. And I'm just going to add a little bit of my jam to my glass and then try to swirl it around. Now, as an optional little garnish, I just took a few more blackberries and put them on a skewer. And if you can tell, they are sparkly because I just took some simple syrup. You can also use agave or honey, just anything that will make them sticky. So I rolled my berries in that, and then I sprayed on some edible glitter because we love a little sparkle up in here. And if that doesn't make the cutest garnish, I don't know what will. And our milkshakes are now served, and then I just have some whipped cream that I'm gonna top them with. You can obviously buy store-bought whipped cream, or you can use some homemade whipped cream. I just made it with 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, and then blended it for about 1 to 2 minutes until stiff peaks formed. And it's great because if I don't use all of this today, I'll use it in my coffee tomorrow. I cannot wait to try it because it's a hot day out, and I need myself a milkshake. The flavor is so delicious and it's so creamy and perfectly sweet. If you would like to see some more of my milkshake recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!